Big man pass inside. Using the big man to big shot. Last. What a shot pass. No man, real ball. Pass is great. Pass is hit. You think number one inside. 6-9, part of the team. The perimeter shot, like aggressive point. The fake guarded by team. Walker still. Binitawan mo number one is there, secure ball. Iiwanan ng Walker sa number one. Basketball team, for two. Good. 25 on that pass in the rim, take the leg off and snap it. Rebound by Padilla. Then pick the fans. He wanted to get us the quarantine. The big man has to get that. Using the layup shot. It's good. This will land with the ball. Paso on the advantage to get that. Pass is taking number 8. The shot. Okay.
Sayang yun.
Number 25 signs up again the layup. Number 13 will that. And we have a fan. First one. Number 1, Ray. The confident ball, Padilla. The three is situation, ball in the pass. On error. David, number 8. It's hit. Number David got the ball. Or number 13. Again, the side step, cross over a Obama is in the said the super leg up and snap you none of us. At the end, number 8, Obama there. Number 8, Obama's like an defense. Pass into the Padilla, the perimeter shot. Oh, good. Okay, so that's number 25, leg up, it's hit. Retriever pad. Pass to the teammate, the super leg up. Ball's having got the ball guarded by number 1. Ball's in the rock pass. Number 17. Pass in the TV. Finishing for the long shot. Oh, good. Rebound on that. The 14 situation. What a pass to number 3. Big pass. Gomez. Pass number 14. Calling for the big play. Guarded by number 181. Pass to the TV. Big man. Pass. Gomez. The perimeter shot. Oh, good. 29 is there. Guarded by Jay. Pass number 17. Black. Now we have a foul. The second one is gained by Gomez. Number 1 will go ahead. Number 1, the fake. Guarded the ball, pass inside, and in the left. Number 1 is there. Number 0, the left. Okay.
Sayang yun.
Black ball, second down the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Crossover, pass to big man. Great. The fake. Oh, good. Rebound again. Back at the number 8. Look out. If it's a line, 5 minutes. Lock it in the baseline. Bad. Oh, good. Rebound by the big man. Number 15. Pass to pitch number 1. You get down. Go short. The perimeter shot. And understand the number 8. Number 6, number 1. 17, the layup, and we have it fouled. First one is here.
Damot tipo managnamat ilag buya.
Second one is here. The one without the ball for UC Lights. Runs forward, now goes over the end. Official time, 3 minutes, 59 seconds. Credible play. Pass in the teammate. Number 17 inside, this shot, it's not good. Rebound back with number 17, pass to Argas. Pass for the long ball, no good. Rebound again, pass to Sigina. Number 21, Kennedy White, back with the foul. The official time. Pass. Did you take the ball? Ball over regular shot, no good. Rebound wide, big man. Ball for the game, like a ball out, number 0. Keegan Black, pass and Keegan there. Over at team, enough for the long ball, Frank is here. We're swinging line. Another steal. And we have foul. Chris Wood. The single one stay here. They turn off for the long ball. No good. Rebound wide, big man there. Like it, Keegan Black. They see the pass in the rain. He got across over the line. No good. Rebound wide, big man. Number 7, down the ball. Number 8, the layup. Big ball for number 8. 2 minutes, 10 seconds, number 29. Turn throw, no good. Rebound again by big man. Watch out, the down, ball out. 81 out of the ball. Then we have the foul. Official time. Number 1, Brandon Taylor, side, Papa Side, and the defense that one. Number 8, pass number 5, on top of that, the three passes, we change number 5 to fake. Then we have the foul. First one is six. We be on the ball. Pass to the teammate number 4. Palopio. Pass to the teammate there, 1 minute, 20 seconds, Palopio for the long ball. No good. Number 8,
Sayang yun!
last 1 minute. Number 0, perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by number 10. Number 8, to crossover, 81 on the pass. Number 8, whoa, on the pass, right, Keegan down. Number 50 came on top of the net, the super layup is good. 30 seconds. Fifteen seconds. We have a draft. Press 1. 22 seconds. Number 52. 15 seconds to shoot. It does.